What's up? It's Vance. Gonna explain the importance of kerning. 'Cause it's obviously very important. Because if you mess up, it can be pretty bad. So let's look at three good examples first. Alright, first one is a little sign kind of on the street. There's good spacing in between. So you can't mess up, obviously, unless you don't know how to read. But yeah, that's a good one. Then you have just a regular caution sign, and none of the letters are touching. Uh, Good spacing. You can't mess that up at all. And last good one is our Texas State Technical College logo. Letters are spaced out. You can see the rhythm in between. Got a nice line going through. Looks really good. All right, now to the good part, the bad ones. First one is a pretty mediocre, bad one, I would say. Supposed to say cliffhanger, but obviously the C and the L are too spaced out, so it just looks bad. Um, Even the last F over here is a little messed up, but the big part about it is the C and the L. Just is not appealing to the eye. Next one is this savings sign. The A and the V is obviously just spaced out bad. It's not good. It'd be alright if it was like a play on the word or something. If I don't know. But yeah, no, it's just not good. Lastly, the good one, uh, massage. It's supposed to say massage therapist, but even at first glance, you just read it as massage the rapist. Obviously, if you're a massage therapist, you don't want to think that you don't want people to think that you're a rapist. That doesn't look good on you or your business. I personally wouldn't get a massage here, but yeah, the E and the R are just a little too spaced out, and the R and the A are actually touching. Um, and literally none of the other letters are touching each other, so uh, that didn't mean that to be a joke, but okay. Honorable mentions. I've noticed a lot of the common errors are the C and the L being together to create not a good word, and the F and L um, together are pretty common mistakes. But yep, thank you. This is why kerning is so important. So don't mess up.